Today, we are going to work with Tastyworks and Interactive Brokers to show you how to enter orders in the small exchange products. So I'm super excited to do that. And so let's jump into our platforms here. So a very similar setup. Like, you're not going to find a platform where everything is absolutely crazy and like, oh wow, this platform is going to make you jump through hoops to find the product and trade it. You got a pretty similar setup. You got a bid, you got an offer, you got a watch list of prices that, once again, I'd advocate for you. Just one time, you put the small exchange markets in there, and you can see this infinity symbol. You can see this infinity symbol just indicates that I clicked the continuous contract when I searched for it in Interactive Brokers. And if I put that continuous contract into my watch list, then it's as easy as just boom. I click it, and now it's all here. My chart's here. My bid and offer is here, ready to trade. Very simple stuff. If I put everything in the watch list once, easy to access. If you're searching for things in here, you just search you go into the window and you can type in the names specific to them and specific to Interactive Brokers, just like we did in Tastyworks. You can see here a little different, similar though, which is no forward slashes, and instead of S2Y, it's 2Y SME. Instead of SM75, it's 75 SME. So a little different, but once you find them once, you put them in your watch list, all is said and done. And so here, let's actually look at sticking with the SM75. Now, this is something that is bigger. It's going to have a margin not of under $100, but I think right now around $900. And this is going to move around a lot more. You can see today's session where S2I has moved $30, which is equivalent, to 30 cents when you're looking at prices. This market has moved about $2, almost $3 today. Actually, yeah, $3 high to low today. That's $300. So, equities move a little bit more than interest rates. I wouldn't advocate for this being the first place to start, but after you get a little comfortable, this is a real fun one. You can see here, market's up 2.25%. That's a big day. It was up over 3% today, and it's come back. Really nice day trade in there. And so all I need to do here is click sell if I want to sell, or buy if I want to buy, and then submit the order. So let's say, stocks are higher today. I think this rally is overbaked. I need to go in there and sell. I'm going to sell these 76.90s, submit the order. Now, I would say to keep this window up as you're learning here, because it is kind of like a double check. It's like, are you sure you want to do this thing? But after you get comfortable, you can click don't display this message again, and then after you transmit, they won't give you this this stop here before actually transmitting. But yeah, then I just click transmit, and see now the market has moved a little bit lower. And it hasn't filled. It's 0 of 1 because I'm offering, I believe, at like 76.89. Yeah, you can see I'm in there offered at 76.89, and the market's just below it. So hopefully they'll come up and fill me, and I'll be short the small stock 75. It's really that easy. And now what do I want after I get filled? I just got filled. There we go. I want the stock market to move lower, and you can see here it's sitting in my activity tab, the same as Tastyworks. I am short 1 small stock 75, and now that I'm short the market, I'm going to go in there and put in my buy order to cover it just a lot lower, and I can change the price, I believe. There we go. Isn't that nice? I can change the price down here. So I sold pretty much the 76.90s. Let's say I want to make $50. So if I sold the 76.90s, I am going to buy back the 76.40s. Ding. And also I can change this to a good till cancel order and let this thing work through the next 24 hours. But I want to keep an eye on it, make sure. And I'll see we're already up about $5 off of that 76.90 number. Once again, giving you this. And now my order is in the market. It's telling me that it'll be canceled at some date in the future. Don't care about that right now. And so, yeah, you can see I'm not filled because the market's not down there, but I've got my order in to buy. We're already up about $10 in our short SM75 trade. Very nice. and that is the Interactive Brokers platform. Now, both of these platforms have a ton more stuff to do. You can pop out those charts, put a bunch of technical analysis tools on there, Bollinger Bands and everything else. But you, for the intents and purposes of today's demo, I just want to show you how to find the smalls after you've opened an account at one of these firms, and how to trade it. Like I say, it ends up being a little underwhelming because it's just like, oh, you buy or sell it, and it's really cost effective. That leverage is really nice. We got 2-year exposure for $75. That's awesome. And after you buy it, you want to sell it back before expiration. After you sell it, you want to buy it back before expiration. If you want to take the thing through an expiration, all you need to do is get rid of your Octobers. Say the 3rd week of October comes up, I get rid of my Octobers, and then I put the same trade on in November. That's the next month. That's the next trade. It's really as easy as that. That's your platform demo here for futures trading for beginners. Thanks so much for joining us. We really love our community, and thank you for showing out for us here and learning about trading futures for the first time. We'll have more of these in the future. Subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any of them. And yeah, get out there and trade the smalls, everybody. Hopefully you know how to. Thanks.